Okay, so question 2 is using normal distribution, and we can see that straight away where they tell us we've got this normal distribution. So the first thing we're going to do is just to draw out and sketch what's happening. So when I sketch this, I've got my normal distribution, and it's centered around a mean of 4.7 and a standard deviation of 0.9. Okay, so that's roughly what's happening. And the farmer does not sell any pumpkins which have a mass less than 3 kilograms. So 3 kilograms is somewhere around here, and the farmer does not sell those. So I'm just going to label this on here. And it says that the heaviest 10% are sold as XL. XL. So the heaviest 10% are XL, extra large pumpkins. Find the probability that a randomly chosen pumpkin is below 3 kilograms. So this is a normal distribution question. So I'm going to need the calculator for this. And it's asking me to work out the region that I have here. So this region. So my lower bound is negative infinity. So I'm going to need to go on to my GDC and distributions normal CDF. So my lower bound is already in there. The upper bound is 3 kilograms. That's given to me in the question. The mean is 4.7 and the standard deviation is 0.9. And that gives me an answer of 0.029453, which I can rewrite to 3 significant figures as 0.0295, or you can also write it as a percentage, which is 2.95%. So either of those options is fine. Then for the inverse normal, and the working out that I've shown there is through the diagram that I've drawn. Okay, so for part B, find the lowest mass for a pumpkin to be sold as an XL pumpkin. So this is asking me to find what is the number just here, what is this boundary? So this is therefore an inverse question. So for this one, I'm just going to really quickly sketch it out again. So this is my mean at 4.7, and this is my 10%, and I'm trying to find A. Okay, and that means that the region on the other side is therefore 90%. Okay, so the region on the other side is 90%, and that's really important to remember because when I'm doing an inverse normal question, I have to use the area to the left. So this time, menu, statistics, distributions, and I'm going to do an inverse normal, and the area is 0.9 because it's the area to the left. The mean is the 4.7, the standard deviation is the 0.9. And that tells me that the A value here is equal to 5.8534, or to 3 significant figures, 5.85 kilograms. Okay, so that's the value of A. And again, that working is shown with the diagram. So there's 2 marks for each. 1 mark is for the answer, correctly rounded, and the other mark is for showing some sort of working, which is either the diagram or by writing out what your upper bound and lower bound are, etc.